Pay you got such something you promise I bear me pay.
Kami mo't ban Nongbah baro arngot ki bahay maya. Laya pide.
Ki khubor ka bate si TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kino Shillong kanong ba Shillong kinsasaki ka SeaWorld Carnival kablas dang naduk kan druk leber aracara punrio SRGT Pulo Parking Lot ya kabala penlong da ke MS Disneyland Mela OPC Private Limited hagari Carnival on sepin iya ka underwater fish tunnel ka behetam ha India ba ka mermaid show kabadan palat iway point sanlak teli ki jai Dohkha kibdai ne kishis pat li ki jai Dohkha ba per Habakaran Chikalap Thai Kubor, Director ke MS Disneyland Mela OPC Private Limited, Usha Mim Sheikh, Ulabatay ki janan kam jongan ke Carnival, da ka boong bakalong kum ka Aquarium Tunnel, ka Phalla, ka bajudan hadupai bat Singapore. Hagari Carnival on sepit ni ru bonjat ki Dohkha ki bapher, bat ki itanan, kum ka lion head, parrotfish, elephant nose fish, angel fish, albino fish, arowana fish, Arapaima, kebrena klau Amazon rainforest but shibun kiwe pat.
Jalan lagi sakit.
Pascal, I am a manager and in charge over here, and he is Mr. Shmim Sheikh, director, Disneyland Mela Private Limited. He is organizing this event, and this type of event is only first time of its kind in Meghalaya. From Chandigarh, and this tunnel belongs to Hyderabad. And he is the organizer, and he contacted us for this event to be organized in the Meghalaya.
What is the main purpose of organizing this?
Over here, the main purpose is to let the Shillongis can enjoy this event.
So it will be a free entry or ticket?
No, the charges will be 200 per person, and the Mela entry will be only 30.
Can you highlight a little bit about these fishes that you
We have
display here?
we have more than 150 of varieties of fishes right now with us, and approximately it will be around more than 1 lakh fishes with us right now. And we have the Aquarium Science Center, we have the hospital for this, and we have the trained team members with us, and with the doctor. Hello.
Can you mention some of the popular species?
And we have a main eye stopper is our Aeropoma fish, which cost 8 lakh rupees, approximately 8 lakh rupees. That is at the last of that tunnel, and we are having 4 with us right now.
When will this carnival start?
By tomorrow.
How many days will
It will last up to 5th of April.
So what is your expectation? Whether it will draw the crowd to come and see?
Expectation is nothing. It will be depend on your from the public and the moral support of the Shillong people. This is the first kind of a different event we are going to conduct here. Here we are exhibiting from 1 inch fish to 5 feet fish along with us. Boragaon Gauhati, very excellent response from the public. Similarly, we have another theme with us, that is the mermaid show with us. The girls came from Thailand. They are expert scuba diving. They are expert in mermaid performances.
Is there any discount for school students?
Right now, we are not offering it, but after 10 or 15 days, we will definitely. We are working on it, and we will get in touch with the schools and the institutions also. For the army persons also, we are also thinking about giving the discount.
These 200 per head will be only for adult or for children?
No, 200 is for the general public, and the age should be age is 3 up to 3 years it's free, and above 3 years it's a full ticket. Can also enjoy the rides, different rides, and we are also coming with an expo with the international shops also.
Sir, can you tell us what is the main objective of this?
Main objective to get the Meghalaya peoples look how other India is out of. We are in this event line, and we are exhibiting in all over India.
Actually, you can watch or you can keep some fishes in your home, but whereas we are showing a lot of variety of the fishes here, more than 150 varieties is here, and more than 1 lakh fishes is available here. Some fishes in quarantine. We are maintaining filtration system. We are maintaining keep it clean and hygienic system. And similarly, this kind of fishes you can't see in Meghalaya, not even Assam also. Some fishes from Amazon river, some fishes from Nile river, and some fishes from Korea also we bring. Japan also, this koi carp from Japan. So different kind of fishes is there. And similarly, it is very good for children also. This is on scientific and scientific tour.
On in India, and you can also, if you want to see like this, you have to go to Dubai or Singapore. And we are now in your city at the very normal cost. If you go to Dubai, they charge 6,000. We are presenting it only for 200. Local exhibition is giving the sport, but there is no entry, and logical we are getting delayed by 1 or actually we are planning to open it by 5th, but for that reason we have delayed by 1 or 2 days
Due to transportations
and all that.
and some technical glitches there. Due to that we are
This needs a special vehicle and a special treatment, and all things is a special kind of to maintain this.
carrying the live fishes is along with oxygen support, just like an ambulance vehicle. After that, we are carrying from one place to one place. We keep in quarantine. and we maintain oxygen levels and we maintain aeration levels should be good.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style, bro. Style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.
Skoda.